If you run a senior living or assisted living home, you already know the problem. The family that reaches out at 9 p.m. and doesn't hear back by morning has already called the next facility. So here's the intake page I built for Harmony House so that never happens. And it all runs on one platform. This is my Harmony House page. Right at the top, a family sees exactly who we help and what we offer. Affordable shared community living with a private room option. They get the basics without having to pick up the phone. When they're ready, they open the inquiry form. They give me everything I need in one shot: the level of care, their relationship to the resident, the age range, the funding source, and their move in timeline. Then one click and it's in. Behind the scenes, that submission drops straight into my CRM and triggers my follow up, so the family hears back fast while they're still thinking about us. And to kill the back and forth, I answer the biggest questions right on the page so my inbox only fills with serious inquiries. One page. It educates the family, qualifies them, captures everything, and kicks off the follow up. And this whole thing is built in GoHighLevel. If you want the same intake system for your facility or your agency, the link below gets you a free 14-day trial. I'm Che. I'll see you in the next one.